Guys, I just have a package delivered. I'm going to open it right in front of you. It's heavy. It's got a bow on. It's got bows on, so I think it's boas. It looks like it's from Boutique London. I'll do the front one first. I think they're those. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think it's amazing. One opening. Mummy, look in the front. We can hang it up. What's this for? Oh my goodness, it's a bow holder to have my bows on. It's a new one, and it's a ballerina skirt. Boas. And look, this one's a school bow. We can usually wear this one for school, because this one's a school bow. They are perfect for school. It's blue. I always wanted this bow. Mummy! Let's see how it fits me. Totally bowed out, guys. Diamond in the middle. Boutique bows. T-bows. Oh my goodness. T-bows together. Spotty bow is blue, the same blue, but the spotty bow is the blue, and them ones are playing. I've got so many choices for school to pick. I'm gonna pick the big school bow. Boutique London, you're the best. Thank you. My boas. Thank you so. I can't thank you enough. Boutique London, I love you so much. Thank you, Boutique London. For my Instagram, Nancy Alea.